Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shahbaz here from Adam's Tech Guide. Now in today's video, I bought something really interesting for all of us. I'm gonna give you an example, or I'm gonna just give you a scenario. You guys will be able to understand what we are looking at. So imagine a situation wherein we are using our Windows operating system from last 1.5 years or 2 years or maybe 3 years. There are lots of applications you guys might have installed in your computer along with their settings. If in case anything happens to my operating system, if it goes bad, I'm not able to boot into my Windows OS, I'm gonna have to reinstall this Windows into my computer again. Now that is going to be a challenge since you guys have not made a backup for your Windows operating system. There were lots of settings, there were lots of files, lots of configured things inside your computer which actually goes for a toss, like it just got deleted. You guys will not be able to get those settings. That is a pain point. Now what about a solution where we will be able to replicate, or we will be able to clone the exact Windows operating system, all the Windows components, all the Windows settings, along with the entire operating system of your computer into another hard drive without missing a single files, like your configuration, your system settings, your add-ons, your plugins, your games. Everything will be replicated, everything will be copied to another hard drive. If you have created multiple profiles in your Windows, it will not only copy your profile, it will also copy the other profiles which are made on this Windows. More than that, it will also copy all the files along with the desktop screen, along with the settings. Everything will be there. It will also sync the password which you have kept for your user account. So now today in this video, I'm going to be taking you through a software which will help us to clone our entire Windows operating system to another hard drive. Now the software name is EaseUS Disk Copy. Now in order to download this software, I have given a link in the description. You guys can come to the description and click on this link right here. Once you click on this link, it will take you to the page. So this is the download page. Now EaseUS is running their 22nd anniversary 70% off sale, along with 70% flat off. You guys will also get buy one and get one free offer. You guys can click on this window. It will take you to their 70% off anniversary sale. So this is the page which will come. Now once you click on that link, it will take you to this page, which is a download page. You will see this 22nd anniversary box at the right side. You guys can click on it. There will be a small window which will come up right here which says 70% off. It will give you the coupon code. It's ANNIBEST 2026. Now this coupon code will be also mentioned in the description. You guys can also copy this coupon code from the description. Now once you click here on this anniversary coupon code, you guys will be taken to this page which will have all their softwares having 70% flat off. Now we want to go for disk copy. Now if you see on the disk copy for lifetime, it was $59.90. By clicking here, availing this coupon code, they are giving us 70% off, and that will make the price of this software $41.93. So we are getting this software at a very cheap rate for lifetime. So that's how we avail their 22nd anniversary 70% off sale. It's a great opportunity to get 70% off on their products. Plus you will get buy one and get one free offer along with that 70% off. But do make sure you guys get this software before 31st of August to get this big discount. Now after going through that offers and everything, if you guys want to buy this software, you can buy it. Or else if you guys want to just try this software, you guys can just click here on the free download, and it will ask you to save the setup file. We have to select the destination where we want to save the setup file. I have already saved the setup file on the desktop screen, so I'm just going to cancel this for now. Just double click on this setup file and run the setup file to install the cloning tool. Once you see this, that means the software has already been started in the background. As you guys can see, it says a new SSD on this computer was found. Do you want to migrate OS to the new SSD? By default, if it detects any SSD which is blank, it will give you this pop-up window. I'm just gonna click on no. Let me just show you that I've got a blank SSD installed in my computer, and that's where it was giving that window. So I'll just double click on this PC. And as you guys can see, this is 119 GB SSD. It's an entire disk altogether, and it's completely free. So I'll come to disk management here, and as you guys can see, this one, 119.24 GB blank SSD. Once the software opens, you will be in the disk mode by default. There is one more mode here which says system mode. Now the system mode on which we will be focusing on. There is other mode which says partition mode. So using this mode, you guys will be able to copy the partition of your computer. Let's say, for example, if I go to disk management, so it's like copying the partition of different drives. Like say, for example, in this, so this is the disk management utility of my computer. These are the drives which are connected to my computer. Whereas if you see here on disk 3, we've got my C drive. So this is the drive on which I've got my operating system running. So this is the Windows drive. We've got other partition here as well. So this is the EFI partition. Though these partitions are not named, but this is what I'm talking about. Like you've got this hard drive, the disk 3. This is the entire hard drive in which you've got different partition like C drive, E drive, F drive. So those are the partitions. Basically what you can do is you can copy the entire partition like the C drive or F drive. You can copy the entire partition to the other drives. So that's what this mode is all about. So let's go to disk mode. If I go to disk mode, it's asking me to select a source disk. Okay, so if I click here, it will ask me which disk you want to copy to another hard drive. So I can, I can select any of these. Okay, and I go next on what disk you guys want to copy the entire E drive. So that's what. So it's gonna copy from one disk to the other disk. So that's what disk mode do. Okay, when it comes to system mode, I come here and it gives me the entire Windows 11 64-bit which I'm using. That includes the C drive. Okay, and this entire C drive, this will be copied along with the system 32 folder. Everything will be copied to a target disk I am selecting here. Now it's asking me to select a target disk. I'll click here and select a target disk on which I want to copy my entire Windows operating system from this machine. There's this partition mode wherein it's asked me to select the partition. I'll select the partition. Let's say I'm gonna select in my disk 3, okay, which is the NVMe. In this I have these different partitions. So whatever partitions I want to copy, or I can just highlight that partition and I go select. This is how it goes. So this is something which I have selected. I'll click on select partition for the target one. Now it's asking me to select the target where I want to copy that partition, and select any of the drive. I click select, I go next, and it will start copying that partition to the other hard drive. So that's how it works, guys. It also gives me the option to never clone an emergency disk. Emergency disk is something wherein you can create an ISO file from your computer system. So apart from that, we've got the never clone as well, wherein we can configure a PXE boot method wherein I can boot from the network. I can boot the image file of Windows from a network device, but it should be inside my home network. It should be connected to my router. So we are not going to go through this entire setup thing because it's going to make the video lengthy. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start the system mode. Create a clone of our Windows operating system which we are using here. After this copy is done, we'll try to boot from the other hard drive and see if we are able to boot into the exact Windows operating system. Yeah, let's go ahead and highlight this, select the target disk. I'm gonna go for the first one, Enforce, and I'm gonna click on select, and we'll go next. As you guys can see, it's creating the exact replica of our hard drive. So this is the drive which we are using in our computer. This is the C drive, and this is what it's gonna make the other hard drive. So it's just gonna give you a summary, the summary of what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna just click on this proceed to start cloning the disk. It says that the data on the target disk will be erased. That's fine because we don't have any data. Click on continue, and it will start the process of copying the Windows operating system into the other hard drives. The process is completed and it's giving me two options here. First is automatically adjust the boot order to boot from the current target disk, and second one is I will set up the boot order myself later. If you want your computer to directly boot from the target disk on which we have copied our entire Windows, you can go with the first option. Else you can go with the second option, which says I will select the boot order myself, wherein you can just restart your computer, go to the boot device order, or boot disk option or boot device option, and you can select the hard drive from which you want to boot. I will record the computer monitor screen, and let's restart the computer. Alright guys, so this is my monitor screen, and I have selected the second option to go with, which says I will set up the boot order myself. So I'm going to click on reboot now, and it will restart my computer. I'll keep on tapping the F8 button, which will take me to the boot device option or boot device menu. So these are the drives which are connected to my computer. This is my boot device menu. There are two boot managers. First one which says Windows Boot Manager, and this is the old drive. And there is one more boot manager, which is this one, which says Windows Boot Manager, and this is on Enforce 128 GB. This is the new one on which we have copied the Windows from the old drive. So let's go ahead and use the arrow key to come on this one, which says Windows Boot Manager, the Enforce 128 GB, and we'll press enter. It has not yet loaded the drivers. It will take some time. So let me see if I've got my username as well. We still have my username. You are seeing things real time. We just restarted the computer and it booted from the operating system itself. So it has got the existing users. That means it has copied the user profiles from the old operating system to this new drive as well. So let's see if it identifies my password. So it has taken the password as well, and as you guys can see that it has also loaded the graphics driver. So guys, exactly the same replica, the same mirror, the same clone of the old hard drive. The wallpaper is there. We've got Google Chrome already installed. We've got things in recycle bin as well. Everything is there. Nothing is changed. Like my documents are there, my pictures are there, everything is there, guys. So both of the hard drive works fine. If in case any one of the hard drive goes bad, we still have the backup of the old hard drive into the new one. So guys, that's how the process works. Thank you so much guys for joining me in this video. If you guys have any questions, you guys can write down your questions in the comments box. This is one of the best software I have ever used to clone the operating system from one drive to the other, guys. So guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. The link will be in the description. If you guys want to give it a try, please do give it a try for EaseUS Disk Copy. Thanks a lot for joining me in this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.